Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is actually my first time making a product review. I ordered a vacuum cleaner. The brand is JK-8. In-order ko siya sa Lazada a few days ago. Siguro mga 2 days lang. And then ngayon kaka-receive ko na. So we're gonna do a unboxing today. So let's see. Buksan na natin siya. Okay, so sale, bukod sa sale siya, meron pa siyang libreng ano to, Sug Wonder foam. So all purpose foam siya, libre. Let's see. So we're gonna do first is we're going to check if all parts are inside the box. So okay, so alright, so we're gonna open it right now and let's see. Alright guys, so this is what's inside. So it has the vacuum cleaner itself. It has strap and also this thing and few extensions and this one also and this thing. Oops. I think if you wanna like clean if you have a computer at home or laptop, you can use this thing. Okay, so this vacuum cleaner, yung power ng motor niya is 100 watts and you can use this in 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, so in a bit i-try natin yung suction power niya kung talaga malakas siya. So let's see if this thing is really powerful. So we'll see. Okay guys, so let's check natin yung suction power niya. So I have few screws here. So I have here Allen screws and small screws here. So we'll see. Alright guys, so there you have it. Mukhang okay naman yung suction power niya. Ang ano na lang is kung tatagal siya. I had mine, the one that you can buy at SM Supermarket. The reason why I bought this item kasi nasira yung previous vacuum ko na nabibili sa SM. So, but it lasted for like 8 years. Hopefully this vacuum will also last for that long. So maybe in a few months I'll make another video of this product to check if this thing will last long. So there you have it guys. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung review natin dito sa JK-8 na vacuum cleaner, and I'll see you on my next videos.